Please draw this diagram with me. So first case is customer places the order. Then second is order received by manufacturing department. Third is machine setup begins for the order. Fourth is order completed, means finished goods produced. And last is order delivered to the customer. This is called as waiting time. After machine setup begins, this is called as process time. This total is called as manufacturing cycle time. This is called as receipt time. This is called as delivery time. And the total of all is called as customer response time. Total of all is called as customer response time. Okay. Then if somebody asks you what is manufacturing cycle efficiency, it is called as process time divided by total manufacturing cycle time. Efficiency is process time divided by total of manufacturing cycle efficiency time, manufacturing cycle time. Manufacturing cycle time. Okay, इसमें मिस्टेक नहीं होना चाहिए. Then if somebody asks you what is the value adding time, value adding time is only the process time. Value adding time is the process time. If somebody asks you what is the non value adding time, non value adding time is anything other than process time. Anything other than process time are all considered as non value adding. You can also non value adding time from manufacturing viewpoint. From manufacturing viewpoint, it will be total cycle time minus process time. Total manufacturing cycle time minus process time. This is non-value adding from manufacturing viewpoint. So non-value adding time from customer viewpoint, customer response time. If you are taking customer response in picture, then your non-value adding time is customer response time minus process time. Customer response time minus process time. Process time. The main value adding time is only the process time. This is only value adding, rest all are considered non-value adding. Okay. Yes, process time by total time, you are correct. So if MCE or customer response time can be improved, means you can do more at less cost. You can produce or serve more in the same time. That means your cost will cut down. So Japanese theory was always to bring manufacturing cycle efficiency to its maximum. So this was Japanese theory, and I feel that since we have not got the opportunity to deal with any sum on customer response time as of now, so there might be some confusion while handling manufacturing cycle efficiency concept if by chance in question you are given receipt time and delivery time also.